it's a two-sided network. Instead of it being the buyers and the suppliers, it's classically businesses and consumers. And you have three objectives in terms of building that network. One is maximize the number of nodes. So get as many, in Ariba's days, buyers and suppliers, but it's also customers. If for DocuSign, it's the businesses and the consumers. The second thing is reduce the friction between the nodes. So for example, at Ariba, what we did, one of our guys wrote some code, and it would help like the interchange language. We ended up calling it CXML. I took a look at this thing. I said, hey, just write the press release on this thing, because this is gold, and I'll come up with the title, and we're going to make this a standard. And it's like, well, how do you make it a standard? Well, it's like fly out to IBM, say you want to endorse this thing, then fly right out to Microsoft, you want to do it. Then you have the press release. It says Ariba, IBM, Microsoft, I was going alphabetical order, create the CXML, boom, it was the instant standard. And we actually did the same thing at DocuSign with the XDTM standard, except we used Board of Governors for that one, which is kind of, Arden Bement, the director, he was former director of National Institute of Standards and Technology, CIO of FedEx, one of the top legal GCs at SAP. Now all of a sudden that becomes it. So you reduce the friction between the node. And then the third one is increase the value of each node. And so at Ariba, it's Ariba Pay, it's Spot Buy, it's Discovery. DocuSign, we just came out with Ariba Payments that integrate with all the payment companies. So that's kind of the objective of the game, is that network.